This Christmas season, Sight and Sound Theaters invites you to journey back in time and experience one of the most cherished Bible stories as it comes to life on stage.
You will give birth to a son. You will call him Jesus.
How can this be?
With God, all things are possible.
Travel with Mary and Joseph from Nazareth to Bethlehem.
There is no room. We must stay here tonight.
In this original holiday production, as the Christmas story unfolds right before your eyes.
Your Messiah has been born! Did you hear what I heard? The Messiah is in this very place. Give glory to God in the highest, peace for all mankind.
Discover the miracle of Christmas, live on stage at Sight and Sound Theaters in Lancaster, Pennsylvania.